Hello, everybody, and this is Dejan Radovanovic. I come from Milan. I work in the respiratory unit of the Luigi Sacco Hospital, and welcome to Prague. And this is my third Health Lung Congress, and there was a big evolution in the Congress itself, and I had the pleasure and also the luck to participate firstly as a fellow in respiratory diseases, and to be nominated as a rising star firstly, and to participate to the mentoring program, which was brilliantly developed by Professor Blasi and Professor Aliberti. And I saw many things change during these last years, and I think that the blasting thing is that you can see many young people coming from all over the world to participate to this congress, and to see such a plethora of people coming from Asia and from all the world, also South America and Africa. You can sense the meaning of the Congress, and it is to lead the young people as I am, to develop their capacities, to develop their research skills, and to nourish their knowledge and their thirst of knowledge. And for me, this is the most important thing. The key opinion leaders and the speaking panel is outstanding, and it always was. And I think that this time probably is the best one. And I had now the luck to participate as a speaker and in the clinical cases, and this is absolutely an honor. And I think that this came very quick from the first time, and I thank all the organizers and the chairmen of this Congress for this opportunity. And I also know that the number of abstracts and the submissions more than tripled in the last 2-3 years. And this is also the sign of what is happening here, and how all the young researchers and the young probably opinion leaders in the future years are working and are sensitized to this event. So I wish a good Congress for everybody, and enjoy Prague. Thank you.